Hello and welcome to Daddy in the Kitchen, where I make tasty and healthy recipes for kids. Today we are making a stir-fried noodles with egg called the Hakka noodles, which goes well with any Chinese stir-fry or gravy. Boil about a liter of water and add 150 grams of packet noodles. So keep the flame on high always. To this add some salt, about a couple of teaspoons of oil. So the oil ensures that the noodles doesn't stick to each other. So the water needs to be boiling always. So this will need to cook for about 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. You can see how the noodles is almost 80% cooked now. So at this stage, turn off the flame and drain the water immediately. The longer you keep, the noodles will become overcooked. So pour some cold water to arrest any further cooking. And mix this and add some oil. So the oil is to prevent the noodles from sticking with each other. Now just mix this well and let this cool. Next, in a heavy wok or pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, this preparation will need a bit of more oil. And crack open about 3 eggs. Yeah, so keep the flame on high and cook the eggs. We need to fry the eggs till they are about 70-80% done. So we are going to cook the other ingredients along with the egg itself. So do not remove this. So let the egg remain in the pan itself. See now the egg is almost cooked about 70%. Now I'm adding about 4 cloves of garlic that's finely chopped. Slightly fry this. Add a couple of spring onion shallots and about half a large onion that's thinly sliced. So do not be tempted to add a lot of onions, but it may not taste that very good. So we just want a slight taste of onion. So always fry this on a high. Now add about half a cup of carrot juliennes and cook this. See, you can add any vegetables of your choice, but make sure that you add the one that will take a long time to cook first. So that's the step you follow. Now next, add some cabbage, about half a cup of shredded cabbage. So the cabbage along with egg will give a nice taste to the noodles. So try and add cabbage as much as possible or when it's available. Fry this till it's about 80% done. Now add some capsicum that's thinly sliced and again fry this. So we want to fry this on a high flame. So I know it's very difficult at home, but use the largest burner with the highest possible flame. That way we'll get a nice crunchy vegetables. So now add the noodles. So do not overcook the vegetables. We don't want a soft vegetables in your Hakka noodles. Always the vegetables needs to be crispy. Yeah. So now add the noodles and mix this well. See, we have not removed the egg, so when the egg continuously keeps cooking in the pan, it infuses the flavor into all the other things, and this will give a very nice taste to this noodles. So, normally you may remove the egg first and then do the remaining steps, but this way it will taste very good. Now add about a teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of chili sauce, and mix this well. So carefully mix this to ensure that all the sauces mixes throughout the noodles. See, already it's smelling nice. See, we are not adding any tastemaker here. So usually when you go to restaurants, they will add a lot of tastemakers to enhance the flavor. But this is home cooking, but we are making it as delicious as possible. So this is good enough for our kids and our stomach. So do not be tempted to add a lot of sauce or any tastemaker. See, till now we've not added any salt because we already salted the noodles and we've added soy sauce and chili sauce, so that itself will contain some salt. So we are going to season this with about half of the salt that you would normally require. So add some salt and some pepper powder and mix this well. So you can check and add more salt if you want, but as I said, the sauces will be very salty depending on what sauce you take as well. Some soy sauce will be too salty, so just check the taste once if you're not too familiar with the sauce that you're using, and then add salt accordingly. So this is almost ready now. So this will go well with any Chinese stir fry, Manchurians, or any gravy. Now add some chopped spring onions. So this is ready now. Just give one final mix and let's plate it and enjoy. The kids are waiting, and so before they jump in, let me try my luck with the chopsticks. Wow, see how beautiful this is. It's delicious. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching Daddy in the Kitchen. And for more such healthy and tasty recipes, do subscribe to the Daddy in the Kitchen channel and click the bell button. Thank you.